What's good? It's your boy G-Kid back from Live Fast. We're here with another one. I have to come clean about something. I don't know if you noticed it, but you just been clickbaited, boy. You been clickbaited because you know what I gotta come clean about? The whip, bro. Look how dusty this junk is looking on the inside. Like, bro, what is this? Let me just show y'all, like if you don't know the full extent to this, peep this though. I'm about to show you the back seat. Look at this. Like, look at this. First of all, that's the back seat. Let's move around to the trunk. Hey, bro, what are you doing? You going across the country? Nah. So anyways, we're about to get that cleaned up. You're gonna join me for the ride. And yo, if you ain't check it out yet, peep this though. Pop's got the new wheels on the truck, dog. How that look? Gotta look clean now, boy. That boy clean. Shout out to Zosh. That boy clean. Let's get it though. Alright, so here's what the finished product is looking like. Peep the whip out though. So the trunk is clean, fresh in the trunk. It's got some dirt, gotta get the car cleaned out. But here we come around to the side. Look at in here. Ooh, that don't even look the same no more. And to the front. So got my lunchbox over there, water bottle there. That's about it, but other than that, car just gotta be cleaned out, get this cleaned up, get some floor mats in there. Boy, the car be looking real fresh. Basically what it's coming down to is, don't be like me. Don't get your car this dirty and then have to clean it. It's so much easier just to keep the car clean. Anyways, that's what I had to come clean about. So much fire coming at your head top, man. Look at all this junk that I just pulled out the whip, actually. Look at this. We got 2 extra large garbage bags. Duffel bag, some trash, some more trash, some water, another duffel bag, a traveling bag. That traveling bag down there, this traveling bag, that's the bag I was going to take when I went down to Import Alliance, but can't make it down there this year. Got a lot of big things coming up in life right now, so I can't make it to Import Alliance this year. I hope everyone who goes there has a great time and have a double great time just for me, just because I can't make it. Live Fast will be there next year. It's going down. There's a lot of car shows coming this year. I hope you stay in tune, and I might have some collabs coming up, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, look like it's getting too dark out here for me to stay in focus, but we out with another one. It's your boy G-Kid signing out from Live Fast. Peace. Hit that like and subscribe button. Peace.